Okay, I am over at Bella Vista Farms at a new construction place called Risewell. And I gotta be honest with you, I hate that name. I think that name is so stupid. It sounds like a mattress company, but names don't matter. They build a nice looking house and you gotta see it. But before you do that, let me have you look at the street. Turn you around. So straight down that way, you got the Santan Mountains, nice big wide street. This matters if you have guests coming over. And then if you can see all the way back there, let me zoom in for you. That would be Superstition Mountain area, okay? All right, looking at the front of the house. This one is gonna be a 3-bed, 2-bath home, and it's in that 1,800 square foot range. They did this 3-column thing up front and gave us some brick. Take a look at that. Gave us some brick on the front. Makes it look really neat. They'll come with these smart locks, but I'm gonna use the key because I forgot the code already. Now this house is move-in ready. This is not a model, but they went through the process and decorated it and staged it. Rooms, standard size. Nothing to get too excited about. They function, they work. I do like the fact that they have some big windows. That's pretty good, okay? So that's the first bedroom. Coming into the second, to the bathroom, double sink. Feel like that should just be standard on every single house that has 2 bedrooms sharing a bathroom. I do like how deep this tub is. That is pretty big right there, okay? So I'm liking that. And then here's that second bedroom, okay? Pretty much the same standard bedroom, nothing too fancy. I will have to point out one thing I don't like. Let me take you up. Look at the ceiling. There is no pre-wire here for a light or fan. So that is going to increase your price, all right? Most people are charging $225 for that. Can you get it done? Yeah. Is it really that expensive? Not really. But dude, it's 2026. Who's not doing pre-wire in the house? Okay. All right, so we got this little key drop area that they made coming right off of the garage. And then in here, you have your laundry, and it comes with the washer dryer. They're advertising refrigerator and blinds too. And here you go, you can see some of the staging furniture they put in the garage, but what I wanted you to see is that this is a 2-car garage. They're doing the tankless water heater. You got a door for the outside, and you have this water loop here for soft water, which we want. We want to see that every time, because if you have to do it on your own after doing all that down payment, you're dropping between $800 and $900, okay? Let's see how this living room is set up. I think they did good here. I like this. I like it a lot. All right, nice setup, nice kitchen. I like that we have a lot of cabinet space in here. Now, what kind of setup we got with this stove? All right, we're on gas, and they gave you a GE profile, looks like, coming with the griddle. Regular old microwave, nothing fancy there. It's functional. But I do like that I don't see that silver box. Let's see what happens when we turn on the vent. Okay, so that's going through the back. That's not coming out back into the home. So I would say that's a plus. They hit that, gave you some storage. I mean, I don't know if it pulls up well on camera, but it just seems like this is a massive storage for this cabinet. Okay, that door is huge. What kind of pantry were we dealing with? Okay. Corner pantry, a lot of shelves. You can put about 7 to 10 years of food in there. I like that the dining is separate. Real easy for you to get everything set up. Still be a part of the conversation at the party. I do like they staged the room because this is a king size bed. And what's nice is it helps you realize how bright this room is, because these windows are massive. Let's take a look. You get an extra window on the left right here. That's just for some natural light, but that's a massive window, okay? All right, coming into the bathroom. Yes, we need the double vanities. We got some storage. Not sure how I feel about this empty space right here. Feels like something could have been done there. Maybe made this vanity bigger. Okay, but I do like that we have a walk-in shower. And what about the closet? Okay, I think the closet is nice. It's much bigger than the camera showing. But that's a lot of space, okay? So no problem on storage. Let's get outside and see what kind of backyard are you dealing with. And how much do you think this is going to cost you? All right. So our patio door, before I open it up, that is an 8-foot door on the patio. Just makes it nice and tall and grand. Okay. I like the patio. This has the oversized patio option with it. That is really nice. We'll give you the tumbleweed for free if you buy this house. And this yard is massive, okay? I did not expect that. That is huge. Let's walk to the edge here. Let's get all the way back. Back and show you toward the house. Yeah, you can put a really nice pool back here. Play set, full court basketball for the kiddos, barbecue, outdoor kitchen. You know, you name it. Whatever your style is, you got it. Okay, you can't see that gate up there. I'm gonna walk up to it. But this is not just a plain wood gate. It's one of those that you don't have to maintain. I can't remember the name of it right now. But I'll get you a close-up. Yeah. Yeah, whatever that material is, that's what we want in the gate. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and recommend to you, let's do pest control before you move into this house, because I'm seeing spider webs everywhere. That means this house has probably been sitting, and they may not have been back here in a while. That's not necessarily a negative. That actually means that we got some negotiating power we didn't plan on having. Okay, so 1,800 square foot house, 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, really nice kitchen. I like the whole flow of the dining room setup with the living room, the huge master and how bright it is. This could possibly work for you. Only way to know for sure is to come in, see it for yourself. Hope the video did you some justice. If you got some questions about this community, we're in Bella Vista Farms. Let me tell you, this is one of the hottest communities in Santan Valley right now. So you want to come here. Even if you don't buy this house, there's multiple builders, multiple floor plans. There's something out there for you. I'll see you on the next one.